Your kidneys play an important role in your overall health. However, they are often overlooked when we think of organs that keep us healthy. Think of your kidneys as filters that get rid of all the things you don't want in your body. Poor eating habits heighten your risk for CKD. But when you eat the best foods for your kidneys, the reverse can be true. Since certain foods are good for kidneys, what you eat can help to protect your kidney health. One, cauliflower. Cauliflower brings the crunch, paired with plenty of vitamin C, B6, B9 and K, along with fiber. It also contains compounds your body can use to neutralize certain toxins, a big help when your kidneys aren't doing their best filtration work. Cauliflower does contain some potassium and phosphorus, though, so while it makes the list of foods good for kidneys, people with CKD may want to moderate their intake. 2. Cabbage. This nutrient-dense vegetable is low in both potassium and sodium while packing in fiber, vitamin C and K and more. Plus, cabbage is versatile. You can use it in salads and slaws, but you can also use it as a wrap for tacos, sandwiches and more. 3. Bell peppers. Like cabbage, bell peppers pack in lots of good nutrients with low levels of potassium. With them, you get vitamins B6, B9, C and K, plus fiber, and they deliver antioxidants, too. You can slice them and eat them with dips or roast them up and add them to dinner. 4. Cranberries. Cranberries help to prevent urinary tract infections. While these usually stay in your bladder, they can travel up to your kidney, making kidney problems worse. Fortunately, regularly consuming cranberries can help you avoid this unwelcome situation. Plus, cranberries have antioxidants that can help to fight inflammation, and they can boost your heart and digestive health. 5. Dark, leafy greens. There are plenty of reasons to turn to dark, leafy greens like spinach or kale. They deliver so many nutrients that they can help you get key vitamins and minerals, plus immunity-boosting benefits. Be advised, though, that greens can come with a decent amount of potassium. If you have CKD, talk to your doctor before adding more of these to your diet. 6. Olive oil. Rich in antioxidants and healthy fatty acids, olive oil can boost your overall wellness. Olive oil may lower cholesterol levels and the risk of cardiovascular disease, dementia, and some types of cancer. Beyond all this, it can help you add flavor to dishes without turning to salt or butter. To get more antioxidants, choose unrefined or cold-pressed olive oil that's virgin or extra virgin. 7. Apples. Apples deliver the cancer-fighting quercetin and fiber that can help to keep your cholesterol and blood sugar at healthy levels. And they've got plenty of antioxidants. Better yet, they're easy to work into your diet. Leave a bowl of apples on your counter and you'll have a kidney-healthy grab-and-go snack whenever you need one. 8. Onions. From the same family as garlic, onions give you another excellent and salt-free way to add flavor. Onions also deliver important nutrients like vitamins B6 and C, manganese and copper. They also contain quercetin, a chemical that can help your body fight cancer, and organic sulfur compounds that can reduce your risk of high blood pressure, stroke, and heart disease. 9. Egg whites. Egg whites are specifically recommended for people with kidney problems. They give you a way to increase your protein levels, which can be important with later stage CKD, especially if you're on dialysis.